data sets. So we have a DAN data set. When I go to the setting, fine, I can see the data set. So this is a gateway connection. So if you want to work with an gateway so that you want automatically refresh, you need to install the gateway to automatically refresh. That is, yeah, this is a scheduled refresh. So by default, this is off because this gateway is not installed. Are you able to see? So what we need to do is we need to install it. So we just installing the gateway first. I click on to the install. It is installing a gateway. Look at here at the download. It is downloading the gateway file for us. So we'll wait for it. I just give you the demonstration how gateway is installed and how we can schedule the refresh. Schedule refresh means you want to set a time. At that time of day, automatically your report will get refreshed. If there is some change in the backend, that will automatically update in your dashboard. It is taking some few seconds to download.
Almost there. Yeah, almost done.
So these are very important things that we are learning now. I click on to that exe because these are some reason for that we required a Microsoft system because this Power BI is again a Microsoft product, no?
Mhm.
And then we install this. I say yes, I accept this. Please install this. Click on update. So it is installing the gateway here. It will take few minutes. But I'm just also telling you the administration part of that so that you can work with this. You're not depending upon someone to install. This is very easy. And that gives you an auto refresh option. Now today we are on the Power BI service. I just open a slide from desktop. Just come with my slide. Look at here. So we have learned these things: connect data, transform data. Yesterday we learned visualization of the data, and today what we are learning?
Published report.
Yes. So these are actually four things that we need to work with. This is the entire Power BI.
Mhm.
If you work with these four steps is basically the Power BI. So that's why I asked this question. What is Power BI? So connecting data, transforming data, visualizing data, and then finally publishing the report is basically Power BI.
Mhm.
We are waiting here. Do it fast. Once it is take time, otherwise once you install, it is not required every time. No, it is required only the first time. I am using a different login to just to tell you how to install that, because in my login it is already installed, so I need to uninstall it and then reinstall it. That's why I'm using some other login to give you a demo for that. Almost there. So it's taking some time. Why it is taking some time? Actually, it is a process of this is basically the actually the gateway between the backend and to this Power BI service, which is basically a bridge between them to do that. So this is done. It's configuring. After installing, it is configuring it. So this much time it will take for configuration and so this is the only installation required in Power BI service. Do it fast, my dear. Gateway is not running on your system. You tried other chart also like uh, waterfall, scatter.
What was that, JP? I'm sorry?
I asked that you tried that the waterfall chart and then scatter chart and then funnel chart.
Yeah, I was just actually checking some of them out right now. I just did a pivot chart. The waterfall, that's the one, I should try that one next.
Okay. I'm just discussing some other artificial intelligence things in this today.
Mm-hmm.
If it is not running in this try, I will leave it because that is not that much necessary. I will do it on the break time. Leave it. I am
Okay.
just doing the break time. So what
Okay.
happened after installing this? You will get this enabled. This is what a schedule refresh on which
Mm-hmm.
daily basis, at which time. So you can add a multiple time when you want to refresh your data set. So that is there. No.